Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing a Nerdy Post unboxing. So, Nerdy Post is not a book subscription box, but they're a bookish art box. And the month of February was Bookish Boyfriends. So, I just had to get it because it seemed like a romantic one and I like romantic art prints. So, I actually already opened the box because I ordered the one with the combo. So I got the t-shirt. So it says Fictional Boyfriends on my t-shirt. And I have Jon Snow, Dean Winchester, I haven't seen that show, but Mr. Darcy, Sherlock Holmes, Jamie Fraser, and Rysand. So I really like this shirt. It's really very soft. So yay! So I should open the Nerdy Post. I have, let's see, some posters, but I'll open that last. I have a pin. It says, Ignite, my love, ignite. So, I want to find out who everything is, so let me find the spoiler card. And this is a spoiler card. So I don't know who that is. Let's see. It is... So the lapel pin is from Warner from the Shatter Me series by Tahira Mafi. There's a magnetic bookmark. So here, and that is Sirius Black from the Harry Potter series. From Happy Hello. So those are really cute. Okay, so the mini print, which is this one, is of a character called Lincoln from the 100. So, I haven't seen that show or read the book, so I don't know that one. Let's get another one. Oh, I see a little thingy in here. It says, due to a printing mishap, the Jamie Fraser sticker has become a small mini print. So, okay. So there's a sticker too, and this is from Park, from Eleanor and Park. And it says, she looked like art, and art wasn't supposed to look nice. It was supposed to make you feel. And there's I like that quote actually. So, there's a little sticker. And the bookmark. There's two quotes. I say this every time I open it. The bookmarks are so nice. They're so soft. So, side one. This is probably side one. So this is from Rysand, from the Court series by Sarah J. Maas. Is, I would have waited 500 years for you, 1,000 years, and if that was all the time we were allowed to have, the wait was worth it. And the second side is from PETA, from the Hunger Games. And it says, I wish I could freeze this moment right here, right now, and live it forever. So there's that one. It almost looks like flames in the background, so maybe like the girl on fire. The next thing is the postcard. And I love this postcard. Because it has my two favorite pirates. There's Captain Hook and Pirates of the Caribbean, Captain Jack Sparrow. I love Captain Hook. And if you guys see my phone, I have a picture of Captain Hook. So I'm very glad that she included that in the postcard. So here's another one. So this is, I think, the Jamie Fraser print. Or that was supposed to be a sticker, then became a print. And it says, "When the day shall come that we do part, if my last words are not 'I love you,' you'll can know, because I dinna have time." So that's really cute. I like all these quotes. And then there is a print. And I believe this one is a mini print. Yeah, so this is a mini print. And this was from Gilbert Blythe. And it's, "We were destined to be the best of friends. You've thwarted destiny long enough." So I might have to do another Gilbert Blythe and Anne Shirley picture on Instagram or something, because I like this quote. So those were all the things that were in the box. And now let me get the poster, because the poster will have a quote from one of my favorite book boyfriends, Will Herondale. So I like, you can kind of see that. And it says, "You are the first dream, the only dream I ever was unable to stop myself from dreaming. You are the first dream of my soul, and from that I hope will come all other dreams, a lifetime's worth." I love that quote from Will. So there is the unboxing of the Nerdy Post book boyfriends. She wrote on the back of the spoiler card. She wrote, "This month was exceptionally fun to put together. And it looks like the next month theme is Dumbledore." So there is the box. Hope you enjoyed. I always love the Nerdy Post box. So, and this time I got the t-shirt because I have to show off my fictional boyfriends. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.